Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to draw a cup and handle pattern in TradingView in 2026. Now, if you are interested in purchasing the TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal in the description. In this deal, you will get the subscriptions at up to 80% off plus 1 month additional absolutely for free. Only 2 days left in this deal. So make sure that if you are interested, you hurry up. Now on tradingview.com, first of all, log in into your account if you haven't already. Then either click on the option of products or click on the option of the search icon here on the top. Then launch that particular chart on which you want to draw cup and handle. Now after launching the chart, you just have to look for the cup and handle pattern. When you find something like this, you just have to use the toolbox here in the left hand side. When you hover over to the section, you will see this brush type of icon. When you click on it, make sure that you select this brush icon. Now you just have to start drawing cup and handle pattern. So I'm seeing it over here. It is looking like cup and handle. So you just have to use your mouse, then draw cup and handle, something like this. Now, when you select the brush option, you will see some of the further options here as well. So with the help of it, you can change the color of this cup and handle. Then you can change the border lines of this cup and handle. After that, you can click on the settings icon and you can add any background if you want to. If you add the background, it will be more visible to you, but you can also increase or decrease the opacity of this background and the borders. After that, you can also make changes into the visibility. So you can make changes into it in whichever manner you like. If you want to lock this drawing, simply click on this lock icon. If you don't like it, or if you want to basically redraw it, simply remove it first, then change the color, select the brush tool and start drawing the cup and handle pattern just like so. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.